Hi guys, I'm Madison and today is my weekly Facebook Live video. So I'm trying to do Mondays at 11:30. So I want to touch on something that people ask me every day, which is how long should hearing aids last? There's a lot of confusion out there and I think it depends on the clinic as to how they answer this question, but I can tell you from experience, 4 to 5 years is the average amount of time that someone keeps a pair of hearing aids. Now, that does not mean that they're going kaput. They are not just dying all of a sudden. But this is a piece of technology. It's a little computer in your ear. And just like your cell phone or your laptop at home, 4 to 5 years is about the time frame when you start thinking, man, there's some new stuff out there that's pretty cool, and you get interested in it. But also you might start having a little bit of wear and tear and have some maintenance issues. So most hearing aids are going to come with a 1 to 3 year warranty and maybe loss insurance on them. So after those 3 years, you can always choose to re-up and do another year of warranty for year 4, year 5, 6, and so on. But that starts to get expensive, paying for the warranty. And so on average, I see 4 to 5 years being about the time frame people upgrade. I hope that that's helpful information for you. And if you have any questions, leave me a message below. Okay, bye.